Okay, so in the rhombus, they give us the measure of angle 1 algebraically in terms of x, measure of angle 2 algebraically in terms of x and y, and measure of angle 3 in terms of z. Find the value of each variable. Well, we wouldn't be able to do this except that theorem, 6-13, it says that if a parallelogram is a rhombus, then the diagonals are perpendicular, meaning forming 90-degree angles. So we know that measure of angle 1 is 90, measure of angle 2 is 90, measure of angle 3 is 90. So let's see what we can do here. We can set them each equal to that. We could say, let's see, 15x, measure of angle 1, is equal to 90. We can say measure of angle 2, x plus y, is equal to 90. And we can say angle 3, 30z is equal to 90. Okay, two of these we can solve right away because there's only a single variable. So the first one we can say, okay, let's divide both sides by 15. And we get x is equal to 6. We can do the same thing over here for the pink one because there's only a single variable, and so we can solve for it. We get c is equal to 3. For the blue one, there's two variables, so we couldn't start right away by solving this one, but we have already solved for x. We know what x is equal to. And so now that we know what x is equal to, that leaves just a single unknown variable, and we can solve for this then. So, okay, we got to say minus 6 minus 6, and we get y is equal to 84. So x is 6, y is 84, z is 3, and where do we see that? That is in answer C. There you go. Rhombuses always have diagonals that are perpendicular.